Okay. Okay, so now we are going to start about condensation and solidification. These two processes are reverse of melting and boiling one. So start from here, Rehan, first one.
Yes, sir. Condensation and solidification. Condensation, a gas changes to liquid state and latent heat of vaporization is released. In solidification, a changes to a solid and latent heat of fusion is given out. In each
Okay, till
case,
here only.
latent
Till
heat of
here, till here,
fusion.
till here. Thank you. The condensation. Condensation is the process in which gas convert into liquid. So this one is the opposite process of boiling. You can say vaporization or boiling. Basically, what will happen when we discuss? Yes, Alisha, join.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When we discuss when the liquid gain the heat, when we give the heat to the liquid, their potential energy will increase and they will escape out. Why they are escaping out? Because their potential energy increases. That's why they start to travel in form of the vapors. But when their heat which they stored is released, then what will happen? They will convert from gas to liquid again. As I told you, one of the example, that if you bring the hand in between the vapors, keeping the safe distance, so these vapors will become again liquid at your hand. Why? The heat they gain, they will release that heat and they will convert in form of the liquid. So this process in which liquid convert into gas is called solidification or solidination. Both are the process are the condensation. In condensation, this process will be what? Liquid convert into gas. Second one is solidification. Solidification is the opposite of melting. In melting, what will happen? When you have a solid piece, you give the heat to the solid piece. Their kinetic energy will become loose. Their potential energy will become increased. So their intermolecular force will become loose and they move far apart. So they will convert in form of solid to liquid. But when they will release that heat, they will again become solid. They will convert from liquid to solid. Can you tell me that where this thing is going to be happen? Any one of you? In which liquid
Freezing,
convert into solid?
freezing.
Yes, in the freezer. When you put the liquid in the freezer, basically what will happen? You take out the heat of the liquid from that one. You give the cold condition and you take out the heat. When you take out the heat, this liquid convert into solid. It means water convert into ice. Okay. Any of the question about condensation and solidification?
No,
All of
sir.
you?
No, sir.
This concept is also clear, that
Yes.
how you can perform condensation, basically what is going to be happen in condensation and solidification. Clear? Okay, so now
Yes,
here numericals we will keep for the next class, but I suggest that I will share the video of this one also. I suggest that you must go through with both of these process, specific latent heat what we discussed today and the previous one. Both of the lecture you should recheck from the videos and refresh the concept. Then inshallah we will solve the numericals of these both of the exercises. Any question, any doubt, if in your
Sir,
mind, then please ask. Yes, Alicia.
sir, I can you explain